Hey, hello everybody. One more video about tattoo needles. Today I'm showing you EMALLA ELIOT Pro tattoo needle, tattoo cartridges. Before I used EMALLA, but not ELIOT Pro version. Here I have 6 sample boxes and it's different configuration, and I will show you some parts what is different with normal EMALLA and ELIOT Pro EMALLA. I'm only want to say to you, I'm use it, I'm try it, I'm make it few tattoos with these needles, and to now it's, for me it's very nice needle, and I will say to you why. Okay, I will show you first shader. One, I will put it one out, then one liner, then one magnum soft edge. Okay, this one is round shader, this one is round magnum, round liner, and this one is round or curved magnum. You know normal difference about round shader, round liner and curved magnum. Round shader is for, I'm using for fat lines, or when I need to put it color, put it black spots, or fill it with blacks. Or so I'm using, in my setup I'm using 5 round shader and 14 round shader. That is always what I need to have it. Round liner, that is 5 round liner I'm using for some lines, very small lines, and for some dots if I need to make bigger dots. And this is curved magnum. Curved magnum is when it's shaped like this, when it's not right, when it's something like smooth and something like curved. And of the needle, here is 15 round or curved magnum, what I'm using for shadings, for color packing and for black packing. That is the normal difference what have every needles. Here what you can see it's every about specific color. Round shader have green color, round liner have a blue color, and magnum have a white color. This is very nice trick, because when you are working you cannot, I'm not using these boxes, I'm always put it needle out, box in trash and leave it on my workstation, and now I can see it faster what needle I needed because of colors. And of course when I see it colors, I put it needle one out and see it what needle I using, because if I use 2, 3 or 4 round shader or round magnum, then I can see it what is the difference, what is it's bigger, it's smaller, or something like that. Specific what for me was very good, I will open one and then I will show you. What was very nice for me, it's the shape from needle. You see it on side, you have this something like plastics, and if you are a tattoo artist what using needle something like that in tattoo machine, Then you have little membranes what you for anti-slide sliding or something like that. Sorry for my English is not the best, but I think you understand what I mean. Second, the shape from needle is shape from complete cartridge is something like that. When you put it needle out, you can try it with every needle what you have it in your studio or at your home. When you put it needle out, something like that, and when you're making this, if you have not movement, then you know it, this is the right stuff. I'm saying you because of that, when you're working with machine, when it's very big speed, and when you are going with lines, then not when you have not movement here, then not happening these shaky lines or something like that. You have a straight lines and that. Third, what is for me good is bigger spot for air. You know that because air need to going here and then going out in this direction, then you have a very nice color flow. Here you have plenty of space to put the ink in your cartridge. You see, here is the membrane what is good for ink, then ink not going in your tattoo machine. I will not say now too many stuffs about configuration, but you can buy it. I know you can buy a round shader, round liner, you can buy it magnums normal, and you can buy it curved magnums, and you have different types of diameter, different tapers and everything. Here what I have it is diameter 0.35 or 0.30. You can also buy it 0.30 or 0.25 or long taper, normal taper and small taper. That is something different what you can buy it. If you not know it, what is the difference in diameters, in tapers, I can say to you, I can make it new video about that, but I think everybody who's looking this kind of stuff, this kind of videos, know it about it. Price about boxes is around 20 to 30 euro, depends what configuration of needle you buying. You can find it link in description below and you can order there. Now I will open one box and show you what is there. You see it when box coming is complete protected. You see here everything stay 10-13 curved magnum, that is diameter 0.30, mid taper, that is the normal taper. You see it when it's make it and when is the expire time here. That is everything staying here. Here is nice picture of the needles. Here is how many needles you have it, and there is the colors of every needle what you can use it. Maybe I forget something to say it, but these three I'm always using. Because of that I'm say you for that I'm opening always needle in this kind of stuff. I'm lazy to open normal, and when you open one EMALLA sticker and you see it, that is the needle. Here sterile with AO gas, always must going in sterile, and you have 20 of it. I say one more time, I'm use it, I'm try it, this needle, and for me was the great precision, sharpness, and ink flow, everything to now was the perfect. I think I will stay on these needles because configuration was good, delivery was fast for needle, what is very important to me, and I like blue color. You see it. I'm always in my color tattoo using plenty of blue color, and I only have on me black blue colors, and everything what I now doing is everything in my inventory and everything is blue. Thank you for listening me. Enjoying the rest of the video. If you are like this video or like this kind of stuff what I doing, please like it, share it, subscribe it, order these needles, try it. You will see it's very nice. Thank you and bye.